Youth sports is a $40 billion industry. Brent Wilsey is here to talk more about private equity in kids sports. And this doesn't surprise me because I was just telling you in the break, I spend a ton of money on my kids' sports, but I'm always like, you know what, I'll spend money on sports because you're not sitting around on video games.
That's good.
So it's an expense, but it's a good one.
It's a good one, but I hate to say it's going to go higher with private equity. Now, private equity, people say, well, what's private equity? I got to explain that. Private equity, they talk about, oh, we get all these great returns, there's no market fluctuation, so they're sold by brokers. And what they look at doing is they go into businesses like, again, youth sports, and they drive up prices because they got to get that big profit. And private equity, to give you an example, they charge a 2% management fee plus 20% of the profits, and they need to make at least a 15 to 20% gross return to pay their investors. Now, the other problem they're having is because they've done so well in the past, supposedly, well, now they've got about $2.5 trillion that they're trying to find places to invest in, and they're looking at all these strange investments like youth sports, and this is terrible because, again, private equity, and when you invest in private equity, you don't know where your money's invested. It's a blind pool. So you may say, yeah, I'm doing great with this investment, and it's going into youth sports, which it's going to destroy youth sports.
I know, it's crazy because, you know, you think the whole benefit of sports is being part of a team and learning when to get up if you fall down. But when they become so expensive that most families can't afford them, I mean, it's crazy. So what are some of the examples? I mean, this is going to trickle right down into PE clothes.
Oh, it really will. I mean, because what they're buying, you know, they're buying the leagues, they're buying the complexes, the tournaments, the sports facilities, all these things that you use, and they're not going in to be nice to help out youth sports. They're going in there to make a bigger profit, so that means higher prices. And I coached Pop Warner football many years ago. I coached soccer many years ago, and it was always about the kids. I mean, if we had extra money left over, we could do some scholarships for families that couldn't afford it. That's gone. If you get these private equities, it's about profit, profit, profit. They don't care anything about the kid. They got to make those profits, and it's such a shame because, you know, I coached one kid. He did football and baseball. He's now a professional baseball player. So it really helps kids out a lot, and this will be gone with private equity.
You know, it is crazy, and I don't know if this leads right into any of your talking points today, but like our youngest plays lacrosse. So the lacrosse tournament was expensive. The equipment was expensive. And then when we get there, we had to pay $20 per car to park per day. I looked at the parking lot. I was like, they made tens of thousands of dollars on the parking lot alone.
And that could be maybe private equity owns that facility or something, and that's what they're going to get into, again, as the profits. And again, as I said, I coached, you know, youth sports when I was younger, and the thing is, it teaches them the discipline. It teaches them how to win, how to lose. It teaches them how to show up, how to have the discipline. I mean, it's, you know, losing sometimes is difficult in life, but it makes very good adults because they learn all these things in youth sports. And again, you know, winning is easy, but also too, you can't get too cocky about it. You got to be, you know, so it's just such a shame to have private equity come in and do this. And I do believe private equity will go the same way that private debt, private loans are going, to where now people realizing like, wait, I don't want to be part of that. They're trying to get out, and they can't get out of it. That's the other thing too, is that private equity, you can't get out of it very easily.
You know, it's crazy too, thinking back when you and I probably grew up, like I played softball, right? And I remember our team had a couple of bats, and you would take your turn and then pass the bat to the next kid. Now every kid on the team has to have their own bat. It's crazy.
And they're like $400 or $500 too.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's not cheap anymore. But these are things you learn, and unfortunately that's not a good example because it was nice when you shared the things. Now like, that's my own bat, you know, but it's still, there's a lot of benefit to youth sports, and having it come in from private equity just for investment, that is such a shame because I like to make my clients money, I like to invest and so forth, but there's some things that are, I'm sorry, hands off, you stay away from. I don't want to see private equity in youth sports at all. So if you're in a private equity fund, I mean, if you can, sometimes they won't tell you what's in there. You may have a youth sport that is, again, you're, I don't say abusing the kids, but you're overcharging just for that profit. And I love profits, but only on certain things. So
is there a solution? We're just about out of time, but can you move, like once you're in that private equity and you find out when it's being invested in, can you move it, or are you just?
The best thing is never to go into them because many times the redemption rate's only 5% of the fund, so it could take you years to get out of it, but at least it start the process to do it. But it's just a shame. I mean, you don't know what you're going to invest in. And again, private equity, they tell you what the returns are. It's not market. They're not safe. It's an illusion is what they give you.
All right, Brent, thank you so much. You can get more info from him at Smart Investing 2000. He's got a great newsletter, all that stuff that goes out weekly that's free. So thank you, and we'll see you next time.
All right, I'll be here.
All right, guys, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.